Please join me in pledging allegiance to our flag. I pledge allegiance to the United States of America.
You're watching Times XP and I'm Dhruti Yatri, and US Vice President Kamala Harris recently became the focus of controversy during a swearing-in ceremony for new senator on Capitol Hill. As part of her role, Harris was leading the Pledge of Allegiance, a well-known tradition that symbolizes patriotism and national unity in the United States. However, she appeared to forget some key words in the pledge, including "to the flag," and trailered off the midway as others continued reciting. Now, this particular moment, captured on video, quickly went viral on social media, drawing mixed reaction from across the political spectrum. The Pledge of Allegiance, which reads, "I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all," is something many Americans learn from a very young age. Harris's mistake stands out because it's very rare for public officials, specifically at her level, to falter while reciting it. Now, the incident didn't go unnoticed, specifically among consecutive critics. Many prominent figures shared their reaction online, amplifying the criticism. Donald Trump Jr. mocked Harris by sharing the video on platform X with 3 laughing emojis. During the ceremony itself, J.D. Vance, a Republican senator-elect, was seen smiling and laughing at Harris's stumble. In the meantime, consecutive commentator Colin Rugg also weighed in, saying this woman is a heartbeat away from being the president, implying that such error raised doubt about their capabilities to handle the leadership. On the other hand, there were mixed reactions from the public as well. While some expressed disappointment, calling it a lapse in focus and leadership, others dismissed it as a small human error, but it was being blown out of proportion. One social media user commented, "Leadership is about being sharp every single second. It is disappointing." Meanwhile, other one said that she is human. "We all make mistakes, let it go." Well, the incident has sparked larger debates about the responsibilities of public officials and their role in upholding traditions like Pledge of Allegiance. For many Americans, the pledge is more about just a set of words. It represents the value of a country and commitment to its citizens to the republic. For the leaders, particularly the Vice President of America, who is often in the public eye, making such errors raises questions about preparations and alternatives. Some critics argue that this mistake shows a lack of respect for American values and institutions. However, others see it as an overreaction, pointing out that everybody makes mistakes and that such moments shouldn't define a person's entire leadership capability. Now, for Indians trying to understand this issue, then Pledge of Allegiance holds a similar place in American culture as the national anthem, or a pledge that we often recite during Independence Day and Republic Day celebration. It is a deeply symbolic gesture that reflects the unity and patriotism of a nation. If an Indian leader were to forget lines of national anthem during a major public event, it would undoubtedly create a stir, and the public's reaction would be likely mirror what's happening in the US with Harris. It's not about the words here. It's about the expectations that people have from their leaders to flawlessly represent national pride and values. Interestingly, Harris feels unbothered by the criticism. She was seen smiling at the Republican lawmakers who were laughing at her, indicating that she was willing to take the mistake in stride. However, the incident has prompted question about the preparedness of the leaders and the importance of cultural symbols in politics. It has also sparked a wider conversation in the US whether such traditions are given the respect that they deserve or if they are taken for granted. Now, for Harris, this moment adds to the scrutiny that she already faces as the vice president and potential future presidential candidate. For more such interesting videos, do follow TimesXP.